Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're going to talk about Volta, whether it's a company that we should be looking into or not. The good thing about them is it's in that EV sector, that EV hype that's going on for now, starting from Tesla. And it's in that charging company is basically being considered as a picks and shovels play. No matter Tesla wins or EV or any other EV company wins, there is charging that's required by any of these EV companies. That's where these charging companies are being hyped up quite a bit. It's being promoted widely on YouTube and one of the most popular stocks being talked about. The good thing about the company is it's a founder-led business. Scott Mercer, who's the founder and the CEO, he's running the company. And when a founder is running the company, they feel the company as their own baby, and there's nothing more important than the company for them. Now, let's try to understand the inside or the inner happening of the company. This is the insider chart of the company, and this shows that the insiders own only 5 million of the outstanding shares. There are about 161 outstanding shares in the market, and insiders own only 5 million shares, which is not even 3 or 4% of the company, which means that the people who are running the business, the people who you're trusting your money with so that they can run the company, they themselves don't trust the business, they don't have their heart in the business as much as we as shareholders do. Basically, in simple terms, they don't have their skin in the game. And Scott Mercer, that whom we saw just now, he owns only 135 or 136,000 shares. That's about it. So the next thing is the price, the valuation. This is a company which is sitting at about $10.33, but that's not the price that we should be looking at. This is the price that we should be interested in, the market cap. The market cap or the whole business is available for us to buy at about $1.6 billion. Imagine you have spent a lot of years working in this very hard job. And you spent years and years working and saved up about $2 billion, and it's sitting in your bank account. And you have $2 billion right now to basically come and buy this company. Would you invest your $2 billion into buying Volta? That's the question you should be asking yourself. Now, let's look into the amount of money it will bring in back to you. Let's say you bought this company, you love the company, you love the management, and you bought this company, and now let's see what the company is bringing back to you. It's giving you back about 19 million annually in terms of revenue. The company is losing money, it's bleeding money like anything. But again, it's a new company, it's in that growing sector, and it is bound to lose money, which is understandable. Fine. Let's just look into the revenue. It is 19 million, and the market cap is $1 billion. Let's say you're going to be running this company, and the company is growing at that same 27, 28% annually. It's very difficult to sustain that growth over a period of time, but still, let's say it's 27% growing annually basis. And you will go and say, hey, you know what, I'm going to run this company. I want you to grow this company at 27%. Don't take any profits. Don't take anything. No, I'm not even going to pay you. I'm not going to even pay the vendors. You're just going to work freely for me. And let's say I'm going to grow this revenue at that same percent. So which means that we're trying to remove all the negative aspects that could come into the company. You're trying to remove the losses. You're trying to remove the vendors. Everyone is working freely for you. And the revenue is growing at that same 27%. So if you paid 1 billion, 1.6 billion to buy this company with the revenue starting at about 20 million, it will take you about 18, 20 years just to get your money back, the 1.6 billion that you invested. At the 27% rate, you will get about 18 to 20 years just to get your money back. Now, in a real world, there's no one going to work freely for you, but that's the scenario you want to understand and see whether it's worth our investment. If say, suddenly someone decided, because suddenly the government changed and instead of EV, they're not going to support EV at all. They're going to go back to gas combustion engines and they're going to promote those. What is going to happen with Volta? So these are all the aspects that you want to look into. Think about the safety margin, whether it's a company that can survive any kind of problems that could be thrown at it. So those are the things that you want to be looking into. Okay, do your own research, try to understand from your angle, try to see the whole picture, and then do your investment. With that, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.